Alright, we're gonna go ahead and see what this guy can do. We're gonna go ahead and do a flight plan. There's a new update. Alright guys, before you guys do anything, even myself here, I'm actually flying it around. Just get to know my surrounding. Especially if you guys have never done this before, I would suggest you to be in an open field. Do not fly this above waters. Do not fly this on the beach or anything. Just go to the open field with less obstacles, or if there is no obstacles surround you, hey, that's even better. Before you do anything, get to know your how what's the height of the trees. Like especially here right now, it's like 102. That's how high I am, and I'm just seeing. Okay, so I probably know it's probably like 72 feet up the trees. So you can actually note that. Make sure. I mean, yes, you have all around obstacle avoidance, but like I said, you don't want to be. I'd rather be safe and sorry. You want to protect before you do anything else, and especially in the low light. Sometimes the obstacle avoidance will not work. But and you can see me here, I'm flying around, and I don't know why the side of obstacle avoidance is not, I don't know, maybe it's working, but hopefully it does, because you can see here I'm just flying around. I will suggest you to do that same thing. So even me here right now, you can see I'm just trying to see, okay, what's the maximum trees height before I do any flight plan. And that's what I'm gonna do. And I know some of you guys probably did this before with the Litchi app, but some of you guys just bought, this is your first Mavic Pro 2 or your Zoom. Before you do anything, practice first, man.
Go home.
And even myself here, I'm just get to know my surrounding before I want to do anything. And then now I know how much do I need for the clearance of the trees or obstacles, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do my flight plan. And now you guys can see here, I'm just doing putting all this flight plan that I want it to be. And you can see here, you can raise up the height of the drone. So I'm probably gonna go about whatever you see here. That's what I'm doing. But I know that the trees is around 70 feet up, or maybe you can set to yourself 80 feet up, just to make sure to be safe. At least DJI have that. It started off with 64, just to be safe. Some of you guys got a high towers, so you got to make sure what's the limit of the height. But anyway, you can see here in this pink dot, that's point of interest. That means you want the camera to be pointing on that direction. For me, I just turned it off. I just want it to be freely. And you can see here, you can reduce the speed, or you can reset up the speed of your drone. So when it's going to the flight plan, it's actually moving around and do all this kind of stuff for you. Or I think you can also do a reverse. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and take off from here and. Woo! All right, we're gonna go ahead and see if it can. You can follow the track. It's moving this way, in this direction. Because that's the way I want it at. I don't know why I went home. Okay, it did all the play already. Just want to make sure. And you don't want to.
Landing.
It's supposed to land there. We'll see. Yeah, it's like precision landing. Wow, eating all the bugs. Look at that. Woo! Precision. That's where I take off at. Wow. Perfect. Okay, so that was a perfect flight. Successful with precision landing. That's amazing. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and redo it again. I actually add more dots here, more flight plan here, and I raise up the height a little bit. But you can also see here the dots, the pink or red. I think you can call it a pink or red dots. But anyway, you can set that up whatever you want to. That's actually called a point of interest. And for me, I just go ahead and turn it off, and you can see there. I just turned it off. So for you guys out there, you know, you can change it up. What's the camera height? I didn't even do all that. But yeah, so I'm gonna do one more flight here for you guys because this one did a successful flight, and now you can also do the settings here. Like I said, you can reduce the speed. You can do a lot of stuff here, and you know, you can mess around with this one before you think about flying again. But I'm gonna go ahead and show it to you guys again. And
the point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
wow, that thing just jumped up in the air. Wow, that's another successful flight there. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and see if this precision landing works again, so you guys can check it out. Just to make sure you wanna be on that exit, that cancel. But I already know this guy can. Look at that. Wow, so perfect. Man. Okay. Forced to land. Yeah, another successful flight from the flight plan, and the update just got better.